All right. So here's what we got now, Mike. A little bit different today, everybody. Dr. Mike Shingles is going to be our guest today. One of my very good friends, my doctor. And we're going to talk about some knee issues because he is the knee guy and he's my knee guy. And I've been doing some things that I haven't even told Mike about what I've been doing. That's why it's going to be so cool and so spontaneous. And I'm going to add this video when I cut it up, Mike. I'm going to add it to this exercise video that I've been practicing all of these moves and it's been a gradual thing, but we'll talk about that in a second here. So be ready, everybody, because what I do now, Mike, is I cut these, like I'll cut this open out and then the show, and then I do an excerpt, and then I do the close. So everybody gets little pieces of our episode. And if they like what they're hearing, then they can go listen to the whole thing if they want. So that's sort of the plan. It just makes it easily digestible, and people are getting into more and more of the small chunks. So, hey, that's all good. So need you for an hour. Are you good to go?
I'm great.
Cool, man. Cool. Let's minimize this bad boy. Hold on. Video here. Can't see you. Oh, there it is. There we go. Cool. You see me okay?
Yeah.
Good. Turn on your Zoom. Give me a 1, 2, 3, would you please?
1, 2, 3.
Gotcha. Clear as a bell. Here we go.